My name is Ibrahim. I'm going to be trying some amazing clothes here at the Campus Closet. I'm here with Kat, our work study here, and we're going to be going through a nice clothes try on. Right now, I have a beautiful chocolate corduroy pants from Perry Ellis. These normally go for $70 depending on where you can get them. And the thing I love about them, I love the texture. When I tried them on, it had a nice, heavy, good quality material, making it amazing for any fall and winter times and seasons. So the next pair of pants we have are very nice black chino trousers. The good thing about this is it's nice, it's 34 waist tailored fit. They do give off formal vibe. You can always wear something like this and a smart casual kind of blend, or formal sometimes the way to go, especially to a nice interview. Now that we've seen some amazing clothes here, when is the Campus Closet open and where is it?
So the Campus Closet is located upstairs in room G223, and we are open on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Our hours are 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., and then we are open again from 3 to 5 p.m.